Arthur. Hello, Charles.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
The chief, he's very... Maybe you could speak to him?
Yes, that's why I came.
He's in his tent.
Sure.
I'll wait for you here.
Hello?
Come in. Mr. Morgan, I'm so glad you could make it.
How are you?
My son. My son is foolish, but he's still my son.
I know your son. A little. He's very brave. Very angry. He's mean.
How is your father?
He's dead a long time. He lived a lot longer than was good for any of us.
My son probably wishes the same to me.
I doubt that.
I want peace. I need my people to be safe. All my life I've tried to bring peace. But I love my son. They'll hang him for treason. Treason. He is the chief son of a proud nation. How could he commit treason? People who have lied to my people for 100 years or more, that's treason.
Well,
what should I do?
I don't think there's much chance reasoning with Colonel Favors.
No. And any chance we had, your friend, Mr. Vanderland, has ensured relations between us and the Army are worse than any point in the last 5 years. I'm sure he means well. But matters are more complex than he understands.
Me and Charles will try and rescue your son.
No.
Yes, yes. I ain't got much to lose, and you got... I'm doing this. Charles! Where are you? Come on, let's go. We need to get his son back, of course. I just ain't sure how.
I've been working on that. I think there's a way. Follow me.
The food is rotten before it has arrived.
Come on, pal.
So, I've been scouting the fort. The army are patrolling all the main roads and bridges in and out, but if we can get the horses across the river, I found a route that should get us in fairly close. If we wait until late enough, there's a place we should be able to sneak in around the back.
Okay, whatever you think. I trust you.
No guns, just knives and arrows. If we start making a lot of noise, he'll be dead before we get close to him.
Okay.
I left 2 canoes downriver, in case we need another way out of there.
Okay, good.
You know, this wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for Dutch.
It ain't just on Dutch. We all went along with it.
He saw eagle flies burned hot, and he fanned the flames. He's not helping that tribe, he's helping himself. You see that, or you wouldn't have gone to Rain's Fall behind his back.
I guess I just keep thinking. There must be a way to save the situation. To pull Dutch out of the place he's in. Well, I like Rain's Fall.
I don't know, Arthur. Rain's Fall is in a tough situation, and as for Dutch...
I gotta try. I own that at least.
You feel that? There's rain on the wind.
I know. Listen,
Whoa!
Charles. If it goes bad in there, you get yourself out. You got more to lose.
No. Come on, don't start talking like that.
I didn't tell you before, but... I saw a doctor. It's pretty bad. Well, it's gonna get worse.
Oh, Arthur. Any day we can die, hmm? We're riding to break an Indian chief's son out of a cavalry fort. We could both die tonight. In a way, it is a gift to know. In a way, you were lucky.
Sure don't feel like that.
You still have time to make amends. The others, Hosea, Lenny, Sean, all them, they didn't. And what about the Calendar boys? Both killed trying to escape Blackwater? A more vicious pair of bastards than ever was. And that's all they ever were and will be.
Maybe.
You're lucky. You got the chance to do something better. My guess is maybe that's why you're here now. Either way, just keep your head strong. We're close now. Are you all right?
Yeah, I think so.
That current's strong. Up here. Follow me.
You were right about the damn rain.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But might help us with sneaking in there. So Rainsfall told me there was some retaliation after the meeting with Colonel Favors. Some women were taken. Elders beaten.
Bastards.
Yeah. This isn't gonna be nice. There it is.
All right. This should be fun. Let's get ourselves hidden and wait till it gets dark. Over here. I guess this is it.
I guess it is.
Let's keep quiet. We'll try and find our way in. Main thing is that they don't hear us. You ready?
Patrol group. Hopefully we'll be in and out before they can come back around.
Let's deal with those two at the gate first. You take one, I'll take the other.
Oh, I know. It's awful. Join the army.
Quick, take the shot.
Get rained on some dump.
Okay, come on. Let's see if we can get around the back. Stay close to the wall. Shh. There's a guard right above us. He's moving. Come on. Good. Let's keep moving. Hold up. Slow. We got two more ahead. One down here, one up in the tower. Let's take one each again.
You like getting wet? Miserable night, huh? At least you're inside.
Arthur. Okay, come on. Around the back. This is the spot.
There's a guard coming.
I've got this one.
Okay. Quick, this way. Another one up ahead. Now keep moving. Careful. Two more. One each again. All right, let's go. Hold back while I check the tower. Come on. We're good. There's a guard out front. You take him. I'll cover back there.
This one's mine.
All right. Good. The jail should be just down here. We'll never get past these guards. Get up that tower and try to distract them.
Try to put an arrow into the lantern above that stack of wood over there. Start a fire. You should have a clear shot from the walkway up there. Arthur, come on! Get down here!
Do something!
In here. Follow me.
No joke. Not funny. Why you gotta make your life so hard? Arthur Morgan? Charles?
Look for the keys. You have to get me out of here.
We're gonna get you out. I'll check the table, Arthur. You search the body.
Got him. Come on. Your father sent us?
My father. He told you to come and kill guards?
No, he didn't say that, Ian.
Of course not.
You okay?
Sure. Enjoy being tortured. Clears the mind.
If you say so.
Huh,
Whoa,
no.
whoa.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Damn it! We'll have to shoot our way out.
You must be out your mind.
He's down. Come on, move up.
Gonna see you in dirt before this is over.
Oh, shit!
This is it.
More of them ahead of us.
do not. Look out! There's some up top there!
We're better trained and better armed.
Get down! Watch out! I only grazed them. Watch yourselves! More up ahead!
Every man out here now.
Come this way. I remember seeing a hole in one of the walls when they brought me in. Damn. They must have fixed it.
Arthur, deal with this, would you?
Yes, but how?
What about that cannon?
Okay.
Sounds like one of their patrols is on its way back here. We need...
Come on. Let's use this thing.
Very slow. You need to blow that wall now, Arthur. We're out of time.
We're through. Let's go.
Hey, boy. Here, come on. Get on. I got you. Let's go, quick. I've got some canoes set up at the river down here.
Shit! We got company behind us!
More of them coming! One on the left!
We will kill you yet!
Don't fail
Ahead
me
of us! Let's go, quick! I've got some canoes set up at the river down here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna blast the hell out of you.
Shit! We got company behind us!
More of them coming from the road on the left! Ahead of us! Quick, down this way!
You ain't getting out of this, you damn bastard.
The canoes are close!
Got a hit! Yep. Ain't over yet.
We have to get rid of them, Arthur! Hold them off. I'll get eagle flies to the canoes.
Come on! Get in here!
Oh, thank you, friend.
I'm gonna end you. I warned you. This is where you die.
Shit, they got me! Quick! Get in the other canoe and let's go, Arthur! Get in, Arthur. Let's get downriver as quick as we can.
They'll pay for this. They'll wish they killed me when they had a chance.
Let's just get you to safety first, my friend.
It's like Dutch said. They only have power when you allow them to have it.
Well, Dutch says a lot of things. The current's strong.
This is some swell.
Watch yourself. Last thing we need is one of us going in.
Believe me. Believe me, that ain't my plan.
Damn it! We got more of them on the riverbank! I'm down. Another one, right! Are you all right?
I'm fine. Give me a gun. I can help.
Just keep your head down. On the left! I'll kill you myself. They won't give up easily. Stay ready.
Look right!
No, I was wrong. Two more on the left. Don't kill their horses. We could use them. Get out of here. I don't see any more of them. Let's get over to the shore.
I think we lost them. Come on.
You okay, Arthur?
Yeah, I'm right as rain. How are you?
I'll be fine in a day or so. I heal fast. Colonel Favors won't be too happy with your rescue.
I guess not.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more trouble. My father, even he may have to fight.
You won't win. No big fight with them. Shouldn't y'all just run away?
Where would we go?
I don't know.
In front. Let me take you back to your father. Hmm?
Thank you.
No mention. Yeah.